Hello there, welcome to our online English class. Can you see me clearly? Good. How about can you hear me well? Great. Is my talking speed okay? Good. Hi, I am Teacher Jam. How about you? What is your name? Hi, nice to meet you. So now, are you ready for our lesson for today? Great. So let me share my screen. Now, can you see my screen? Okay. So do we have the same textbook? All right. Good. So now our lesson for today will be focused on lesson 1. And the title of our lesson is What Do You Want to Do? Repeat after me. Okay. And our week's phrase is I want to. Good. So now we will focus in learning new words. Are you ready? All right. But before that, let us read first and practice the vocabulary. So you need to repeat after me. All right? Okay. Number 1, A, play. B, sing. Good. Number 2, A, eat. B, make. Great. Number 3, A, dance. B, sing. And number 4, we have A, eat, and B, dance. All right, good job. So now let's answer it. The question number 1 is, what are they doing? A, play, or B, sing? Okay, good job. The answer is A, play. How about the question number 2? What he's doing? A, eat, or B, make? All right, great. The answer is A, eat. How about the question number 3? What are they doing? A, dance, or B, sing? Great. The answer is B, sing. Last but not the least, number 4. What are they doing? A, eat, or B, dance? Very good. The correct answer is B. So give yourself a round of applause. All right, very good. By the way, sorry, but it is already time. I am happy meeting you today, and you tried your best to express yourself by speaking English. Good job for that. See you again soon. Goodbye for now, and have a great day. Bye.